Begin in Warrior One, finding a position where you feel steady and supported. Take a moment to arrive here and feel the connection of your feet to the ground. Take an inhale, and as you exhale, take your hands behind your back and clasp your hands. Take a deep inhale here, lifting slightly through the chest. And as you exhale, begin to fold forward, taking your shoulder to the inside of that right knee. Press gently through your fingers, allowing your shoulders to move away from the ears. Allow the crown of your head to descend towards the ground, and if it feels right for you, let the hands move up and over the back, noticing how the upper back begins to open. Let the weight of the body be supported through the legs, feeling the strength and steadiness underneath you, staying with your breath. Allow the neck to stay soft and the jaw relaxed. Taking a few steady breaths here, finding that blend of softness and strength. And then when you're ready, press firmly through your feet, come back up to standing, and repeat on the other side.